तुम पेज दे
Page 71. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, see page 71. At 71 page, you have some guideline for your essays. Whenever we write an essay, we will have such things. Generosity. If suppose you are given to write on generosity, so how will you write the generosity? So first of all, you have to make mind map, as the mind map is given to you. Generosity. So save in order to be able to give, or to make others' lives easier and pleasant. It means that you have to define generosity in the first paragraph. So now see the benefits of being sympathetic towards people and be kind and encouraging. The other is share money, time, energy with others, and next not expect anything in return. These are the qualities of generosity. So now next is, your grandfather has left you money, but you have to spend some amount in helping mankind underprivileged. How will you do it? This is the creative question you have to write yourself. The next is, write down the summary of the lesson, the two bargains. How will we write the summary? We have to write the keywords of the unit in a very simple way to simplify it. See the next. The paragraph is given to you. Read the passage and answer the following questions. So whenever you are given the paragraph and you have to answer, so first you will read the questions carefully. First you have to read the paragraph thoroughly. Then after, you have to write the answer of your own by taking the help of the paragraph. What is the main idea of the passage? You have to locate in this. Locate at least 3 adjectives. Identify the tense of the passage and why did the Jew go to Hazrat Usman radiallahu anhu. So you will do practice of the paragraph comprehension when you join your school. See the next page. At this page you have adverbs and adverbials. See what is adverbs. Adverbs are words used to modify verbs. Adverbs can also be used to modify adjectives and other adverbs. You have some adverbs. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs from the box. The same adverb can be used more than once. Occasionally, sometimes, usually, rarely, once, very, never, mostly, often, and always. As the blanks are filled with these adverbs, so later on you check all these adverbs and try to do yourself. See the next page. At the next page, you have to rewrite the sentences adding the adverbs in the correct place. In English grammar, it is very much important how will we place, either we have adjectives or adverbs. ये हम कहाँ पे लगाएं? हमेशा याद रखें, we have to use the adverbs before the word which is modified. See, she is at home rarely. So she is rarely at home. He opened the door quietly. He quietly opened the door. You can also write he opened the door. He opened the door quietly. Can't I sit here? Can I sit here? Next, we live in Aptabad. Now we live in Aptabad. So you can also write like this: we live in Aptabad now. Comparative and superlative degree. As you know that in adjectives we will have some degrees. So in adverbs we also have degrees: positive, comparative, superlative degrees. Comparative adverbs compare the action verb of two people or things. Example: Samina ran faster than Jamila. Superlative adverbs compare the action verb of the group larger than two. Sikandar saying loudest in the car. So see, for the adverbs that end in in, so adverbs which is end with ly, so comparative degree will be formed like more or most, more sweetly, more sweetly. Superlative add most, as in most sweetly. We will have some short adverbs: hard, fast, early, late. So whenever we make its comparative degree, we will use er or latter. We will use er whenever we have short adverbs, and the superlative degree will be used est, latest, latest, latest. Change words ending in y into I, as in earlier, earliest. Whenever the adverbs end with y, so whenever we make its comparative, so y will convert into I. Early, earlier, and the superlative degree is earliest. Comparative, and we will have some special adverbs as well. Well, badly. Comparative degree will be used better, worse. Superlative degree best or worst. So now C. Exercise C. Complete each sentences with the correct form of the adverbs in parentheses. Our father arrived dash, then the rest of the family late. Comparative degree is later. My sister looked dash, then Amara did. Beautifully, more beautifully. Your husband Kamal writes dash of all well, well. So superlative degree is best. Mrs. Hasib speaks dash, then Mrs. Amir clearly, more clearly. Next, mother prepares chicken dash, then grandmother does. Comparative degree is here well, better. So almost we covered the exercise, and the exercises related to adverbs. So In our next class, we will do the adverbial phrases, adverbial clauses in sentences. So, till then, Allah Hafiz.